Hello everyone, and welcome to break 6785/8010 for the 2021 Leaf Valiant football card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, August 5th, 2022. It's 10:43 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:43 p.m. Central Time, 8:43 p.m. Mountain Time, and 7:43 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have CBD cards with 7 teams: CH West 2, MR 4, CBD cards 4, CH West 1, St. Phil 3, Jonathan 1, CBD cards 2, Jord 2, Munkers 3, CBD cards 3 teams. So let's randomize 7 times to determine those teams for the break. 3, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has CH West on top, CBD cards on the bottom. CH West with the Cardinals, CBD cards Falcons, St. Phil Ravens, Bills, Munkers Panthers, MR Bears, CBD cards Bengals, MR Browns, CBD cards Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Texans, St. Phil Colts, CBD cards Jaguars, Munkers Chiefs, CBD cards Raiders, Chargers, Jord Rams, CBD cards Dolphins, Jord Vikings, Jonathan Patriots, CBD cards Saints, Munkers Giants, CBD cards Jets, MR Eagles, Steelers, CBD cards 49ers, Seahawks, CH West Buccaneers, Titans, and last but not least, CBD cards with Washington. All sealed up. Nothing. Empty. All right. Let's see. We have first Amari Rogers, Rising Stock 86 out of 99. Cool. Then we have an All-American KJ Costello, KJC. That's going to be 18 out of 99 for KJ. Hey, we have an All-American Trey Lance, 1 out of 5. Very nice. And then our Gem Mint 9.5, Elijah Moore. Elijah Moore, Gem Mint 9.5 orange, 49 out of 50, Beckett Auto 10. All right, sweet. Let's see who's getting what, starting with the Amari Rogers. No relation to Aaron that I'm aware of, though he does play for the Packers. Green Bay Packers going to CBD cards. Congrats. And then we have KJ Costello. And KJ will go to the Chargers. CBD cards. Congrats. Plays for the Philadelphia Stars now. And our Trey Lance out of 5. Number 1 out of 5. Would have been cool if it was 5 out of 5. Cooler, I should say. San Francisco 49ers going to CBD Cards. Congrats. And then last but not least, Elijah Moore. Gemint 9-5 out of 50, Elijah Moore. Elijah and the New York Jets going to CBD Cards. Congrats. And that was break 6,785/8010. I want to thank all of you for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot and bonus 174. And then I think up next we'll have the Twitter giveaway unless something else sells out. Thanks.